Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to a new video on Ethena. Of course, your daily update. We have to cover it. It's been super bullish again. And we did talk about this yesterday. I thought, actually, to be completely honest with you, I thought we would drop down a bit lower. But what we talked about yesterday in the morning is that we were at quite a strong support level right here between 85 and 90 cents. And what I've always preached to you is that the moment we find support at such a support level and we get a bullish breakout, that's the moment to buy. That's the moment we can actually rally. So what you can see, and we're bringing back some old technicals right here, but what you can see is that right here, we really broke the downtrend in the afternoon around 4 p.m., at least in my time zone. Then we broke the downtrend. The momentum was going up as well, which it's not that much of a big confirmation with a new coin like this. But you can see that the momentum, and this is also what we looked at yesterday, this was actually dropping down over the course of Thursday evening into Friday morning, started rallying. At the same point of time we got that breakout, so then you have momentum and technically you get a breakout. So that's what we talked about in the videos. Then we can actually rally. So that's what we did. I mean, we broke above $1 in general, held that support level around $1 and like 95 cents quite well. And from there we started rallying. So right now the main question is can we actually rally up higher? All right, because what you can see right now, apart from the fact that this trend line is sloping up, which is true, and that the open interest is rallying up as well, which means that we are still gaining momentum in some sort of way at least. So that's all true, but purely technically, this could very well turn into a consolidation, right? So then I'm talking about this being the top right here at 1.15 and that area around there, and this being the bottom at 87 cents. So those are the two scenarios from here. I mean, if Bitcoin is going to crash down, obviously Ethena is going to follow that. But at this point of time, Ethena does have a will of its own, all right? It's not that correlated to Bitcoin. And the TVL is going absolutely crazy, all right? That has gone up by about 33% in the last 7 days. It's now over $2 billion, which is pretty crazy as well. I'm not sure if we can see it if we look at Ethereum and if we look at the TVL. But yeah, we can. So it's now almost top 16 in terms of the biggest protocols on Ethereum. So that's in general, that's all very bullish. Now the main thing to watch though is 1.15, and to take it with to have a bit of a margin, I would say look at 1.15, 1.16, maybe even 117.5, because that's it has some psychological value to it. And then if we break above that level, we've also broken above that level with a bit of a margin. So that's the main thing to watch for today. All right, and like I said, with this technical structure, which is bullish, with the TVL rising like it is, and with the open interest rising like it is as well, it seems most likely to me that we will break out above 1.17 and 1.15, and that will rally back up to 1.3 and potentially go for 1.45 and 1.5 then. So that seems most likely. If we just add everything up, objectively, that's most likely. Now, will I take that trade? I'm not sure. Maybe if we break out. But for now, I still need to see that breakout first, because if Ethena, for example, drops down to 1.05 and 1.02, that's not the end of the world. But if we don't get that breakout today or maybe tomorrow morning or during the night, then look, we need to get that breakout fast. If we don't, we'll probably just get into this consolidation. So be mindful of that. But apart from that, just wait for the breakout. Looks good. If you're in a position, I would hold. At least if you bought lower. If you bought at this price, I'm not sure if that's the best entry, but that's up to you. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.